A day after the Supreme Court delivered its full judgment on why it invalidated the August 8th presidential poll, President Uhuru Kenyatta broke his silence over the matter, terming the decision by the majority a subversion of the people's will.
Leo hii tumevunja historia ya kwamba coup katika taifa la Kenya imefanywa na watu waine kule kotini. Hii ni coup, hakuna kitu kingine. And I must call it what it is. Siwezi ogopa ndugu yangu.
The president questioning why the court failed to scrutinize crucial documents provided to it by IEBC.
How a decision of that magnitude was made without examination of some of the most crucial documents is indeed incredibly startling.
The head of state said the judgment had set a bad precedent, one that backtracks constitutional gains made since the promulgation of the Constitution in 2010.
The effect and precedent set in that singular judgment by a bench of the court says that a bench can nullify the decision of millions of Kenyans without due regard to evidence.
The decision by the Supreme Court to nullify the August 8th presidential poll in the meantime appears to have set the judiciary and the Jubilee-controlled parliament on a warpath.
I have therefore requested that Parliament should expeditiously address itself to the issues raised in order to protect our country from any ambiguities and/or that may arise from this judgment.
Already there are indications that Jubilee feels aggrieved by the court, and it is left to be seen what course the friction will take when Parliament reconvenes next week. In annulling the presidential poll over, among other things, illegalities and irregularities, the Supreme Court called on IEBC to ensure it conducts the repeat poll as per the law, failure to which the ramifications will be dire.
Cabinet this morning approved a supplementary budget that shall be forwarded to the National Assembly on Tuesday of next week, in which we set aside resources for the conduct of this fresh election.
For Channel One News Hour, I am Edward Kabasa.